What's in here? Oh, that's neat. A ball? Cool. That's a nice ball. Oh, what a nice outfit.
Holy cow, that's for when she's 3.
Now it says 12
Or
months.
5.
Yeah. That's nice.
That'll probably be good for next winter. She loves that phone.
The phone's big hit. Let's see what else we got. Oh my goodness, look at this big one.
Oh, look at that.
Want to see what's in here? Look, pull it out. Let's see. Here's the card. It says, granddaughter. Happy birthday, Grandma and Grandpa Bobby. Looks like there's lots of stuff in there, Kaylee. Peekaboo, look at you. Happy birthday. Ooh, look. Let's see what else is in here. Kaylee, look. What's in there? Pull it out. Good job. You're doing good. Oh my goodness, what's this? Yeah.
Can you take your plug out?
Thank you. What's this? What is that? Oh, I think it makes music. Oops, I'm sorry. Oh, excuse me. Can you dance? Ooh, that's neat. What's this? Oh. Another cell phone. Who's there? It's Puppy. Look at
She's
this
gonna
pretty outfit. Oh, how cute you're gonna look in it.
No, you guys, I seen this, I was looking for that Elmo thing, and this little kid, I push one of the animals to play and sing, you know. This little kid that is looking at toys, he just starts dancing and he hears the music that I was playing.
Mom, you know who this one's from?
Yeah. Her mom.
My
What
mom?
is that?
Your mom.
Let's see what's in this one. Oh, neat. Kaylee, look. It's the counting bell. Oh, right. Yeah. This is all so neat. Cool.
We had that in the back seat when the dogs jumped in, and all of a sudden we thought, what is that noise? And it was E-I-E-I-O.